Meaning of impatiently.
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 Impatiently. Impatiently is an adverb that describes an action or attitude of someone who lacks patience and is unwilling to wait for something. It implies a sense of urgency and frustration, with a desire for immediate gratification. This can manifest in various ways, such as tapping one's foot, checking the time repeatedly, or speaking in an agitated voice. People who behave impatiently often have a low tolerance for delays and may become annoyed or angry if they are forced to wait. Overall, impatience can be seen as a negative trait that can cause stress and strain in interpersonal relationships.